back. Today I'm going to show you one fun DIY to do with your extra maps from Disney. So I don't know if all of you do the same thing, but I collect every time I go. So this is my second year as a pass holder. So I have different seasons, Pixar Fest, and then I have now the Halloween time. This is Pinterest inspired. I saw that they did a fun DIY for coasters, so that's what I'm gonna try to recreate today. I bought these at the dollar store. Really fun, a pack of 4. A lot of people use tiles, or you can use pieces of wood. There's many options for you to try out there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab one of my coasters and I'm gonna trace on the desired image that I want to appear on the front. Once I trace it, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna add Mod Podge, and you can also find this at the dollar store. I found it at Dollar Tree, and I've seen that the 99-cent stores also carry it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my coaster, placing it on top of the image, and just outlining the area where I'm gonna cut. I've chosen this Pixar Coco, and of course the Halloween pumpkin. I've chosen a Woody and Buzz. I'm gonna go with Mater for the 4th one. So once you have outline cut, and I decided to cut the title of the map, Disneyland and Disneyland California Adventure. Place your coaster flat, and with the brush you start spreading a nice amount of Mod Podge evenly. Place your image on top. Make sure to remove all the bubbles, make it as smooth as possible, and let it dry. Make sure you get the edges really well so it can seal and the water does not go through when you're using a cup. All done. I love how they came out.